So guys, if you go like make I show you how I take sew this my senator neck. I know some of it you don't know, you don't get familiar to this design, but my own way I just want done simple way so that I don't need more steps for this design. So if you'd like to know how I take one like this, way dey okay, and if you look, I look professional, be I just a joke. So what you go do now say you go allow me make I just show you step by step the way I take swam wey dey neat like this. So I no wan waste your time. Let me just go to the video now. So wetin wey dey see here now na my kaftan already. I don cut the kaftan already. I no need to show you that step. If you wan know how I take cut my kaftan, check my video, you see am. So wetin I dey show you, I don cut this part out. Wetin I just cut out there na just 3.1 abi 3 inches, something like. You fit do any measurement wey you want. So the length na 14 inches. The reason why I do this length 14 inches because this kaftan no too long, and that 14 inches is just a maximum wey you fit do, or a maximum because just take accurate. So they see this part where they touch here, and my estate be that I don't gum already. I don't want to show all those parts because na simple something wey anybody fit do. So I don't do that part. So wetin I dey do here, I dey notch am. This nothing why I dey notch na e dey very very important. If you don't notch am, you no go fit fold am well. Sure you understand me? So this my lace na be this. This lace now I don't cut out already. So you see I don't gum am too. I don't want to show you this part. Na very simple something wey everybody fit do. If you decide to gum am, I advise you to make you gum am estate so that that part go fit dey okay. Or may use lining, that is maybe shiny lining or all those chiffon something, all those what something like that wey go dey shiny for the back side. You see that my lace now be pass this material particular. Now I use measurement. Now I use measure am. So the length of that lace now 15. So you do the length wey you want because you go see 3 mark comot. Just make am pass this way you want. So this part I want do now. So just fold this part wide so I will notch. If you no notch am, no go dey easy to fold. So now I go just you allow me make I just fold am. So this folding one I dey fold na just 0.2. Sure you understand me? No allow am pass 0.2. If you pass 0.2, guys, the thing will just be the space for that middle go too much. Sure you understand me? So once you just move fold is that 0.2. If you fold that 0.2 finish, then I go explain more. So after I don't fold my 0.2, go make sure say iron am well. This thing now take me time. This I fold am, I know see am. It take me time to fold am so that it go dey accurate. Sure you understand. Make sure say you take your time to fold am, not just fold am anyhow. If you no fold am well, no give wetin you want. So wetin I go do here now to just get on my front of my kaftan. Sure you understand. You will get the middle part of this kaftan. So this middle part we won't get now you go place them for middle of this lace. Sure you understand me? Go place am there. So I dey try check am so that maybe I will get am well. So because this material wey I dey use here, material dey stress me. I no go lie for you. If you no be steam iron wey I dey use I no go fit do this video wey I dey do. So just make sure say you use better material do am because na wetin the client want. So I no need to tell am say e no possible. The material dey stretch like mumu. So after I don do this one finish, so the next thing na to just place that middle part for that and the middle lace side. So just dey set am well. So me I just forward am so that you go see am the way I dey do am because e dey stress me like this. I no go lie for you, e dey stress me well well to do. But I would like to just do am based on say I wan show this thing to everybody. I don try do am here. So wetin I dey try do here be say the one wey I cut comot. You understand? I know say most of you don know this thing before. No go dey if you don know am before, say you sabi am, just throw am up. Or if you wan learn more, you watch am. You understand? Nobody know finish. So now I dey place this one wey I don cut come. I dey place am for that middle now. So you understand the space wey I dey leave for the two side now, and I leave am around na 0.2 wey I fold for the main kaftan. Shey you understand? Men's kaftan wey I cut that front, the one wey I cut comot na where I fold. Now I dey try replace with that lace, that space wey you dey see there. You understand me? So na wetin I dey do. So you go make sure say you set am well. If you don set am well, if you no set am well, the thing go too big and e go too small. If you no set am well, just make sure say na that half inch wey you fold inside na e dey return. So na hemi be that. This one, know say everybody know say this one na temporary hemi. You need to divide this hemi into two because everything na too dey expensive. So after I don divide am into two now, you go just place am for the middle part of that our our design now. So you understand, you know where I go place them already. So wetin I go do now, I go place am there, then I will come back, then I go tell you the next thing we go. So after we don't come and finish. So the next thing na to just check the wideness, how e go correspond with for wetin we just wetin we cut comot for that front. Shey you understand? I don sew am, I don go sew am already. So I no need to show you this part because everybody go fit do am. Shey you understand? I don go sew am, but that middle part wey I just trim now, wey I just comot the thread within that place now, I no sew am. Shey you understand? I know say something go pass the middle. I know say the design wey I dey do here now, some people now they don't know about the design. But if it be say another way now they do am, if it dey stress you or if it dey give you difficult, you understand me? So you know they no finish. So if you check the video out, so if na something wey go fit add to your own knowledge, if you go on. But if you don't know am before, no problem. So wetin I dey do here na just fold my material into two like this. I don't fold down like this. After I don't fold down like that, I just carry these pieces now wey cut comot for that front. So just use am check am. I dey iron am well here. So after iron am, then I dey try place am for that front. You know say I no carry am go back. Make sure say e come front. So any excess wey dey for that place now, na from the folding part wey we fold, na im be that. So I go just cut the neck out. You see this neck wey I dey cut here now. After I don cut the neck finish, so you go notice say the shoulder part no slant well. Then it is that part now no no follow. So wetin you go just do now, just make sure say you cut am to make e just dey accurate with the one wey dey the former shoulder. Shey you understand? So make everywhere just dey normal. You understand? So the way I dey explain sef, even though say I no put voice note for this thing, even though say I no put voice note, if your voice record you go call am. So the way I just do am like this now, e mean say e dey easy for you. So after that now, you just trim that front. That thing we wan trim na just that part wey that zip dey. So wetin I dey try mark here now is 0.2 because my chalk no gree mark on that lace. That lace too thick. Na all those bay lace. So if you no fit use lace, if you use any material, not by force you use lace. If you use any fine material, you go just create another new design. Shey you understand? So this part now I need to lose that part. Then the hemi gum don hold am down. I need to comot that part, then cut am go down so that e go fit allow me do wetin I wan do. So if you know say this video now, you dey learn something about this video, you know wetin you go do now. You just like, then if you never follow us, just make sure say you dey follow us. And if you get any friends wey you know say this kind of thing na him go like learn, or you go like make e improve how you take dey learn, you fit share am to am so that only you no go know about the design. See that neck wey I dey do here now, I dey trim the neck. I just carve am for that up small. I just small e just need. Just say na just small I need. So the way I dey look this my neck, e too small. You understand? E go small for that client. So I no show where I later cut the neck. You understand? I just cut am small. For if you notice say that neck now dey okay for your own, no need to cut am o. So this material na just my triangle like bias layer. No bias layer, like say one cut neck taping. The wideness na 2.5. Na 2.5 you go use, abeg. No allow am pass 2.5 so that it go give you the perfect work after you finish the work. So this thing na you fit do any length wey you want, but this length no reach. I go still later join am. So make we just continue. So wetin I go just do here na to just carry my back cloth, like my back panel, then the shoulder, the back panel and the back layer join my shoulder together. Then everybody fit join that part. So I no need to show am. So wetin I dey do here na the excess wey we get for the back side, I need to cut am so dem go dey accurate with the front side. So na wetin you dey see me wey I dey do here. After I don do like that finish, so the next thing na to check my measurement round. So the measurement what I get for this part now 40 inches. So this my length of this bias where I cut no reach. So I need to join like 7 inches or 6 inches so that it will fit give me wetin I want. For this part now, I don't already join them, then I don't come my back. Sure you understand. After I don't do that last finish, the next thing what I go do now na to just go my machine, go sew that bias for the neck. So after we don sew the bias finish, you dey see am na just 0.2 na I sew for there so that e go fit dey accurate. If you no allow am dey accurate, e get how the thing go just be. E no go make sense shey o. So wetin you go do now na to just iron am. You go fold am, iron am well. This ironing I need to give am good ironing because if you no give am good ironing, e get how the thing go just dey. So I no need to show that part. I don give am good ironing here. So wetin I go do now na I go just go sew the neck round. For this part now I don already sew the neck. I don sew that part. So I go show you the part wey I sew now. The part wey I sew na that just back of this na just back of this our neck. You see am, that neck taping na just back. You no go sew am on top, na back you go sew. You dey see the inside dey neat. Everywhere just dey normal. So na that 2.5 you go use so that no allow am pass 2.5 so that you no go wan if you no want excess. Shey you understand me? Some customer dey look all those finishing. So you understand now. So wetin I dey do, I dey try iron am. Make sure say you iron am well o. Especially this material wey I dey use now, if you no iron am well, I no go fit go well because this material stress me well well. No be this one wey dey see for this video. E stress me gan. So na my zip be this. So I go like place that zip inside. The zip too long, no problem. I go cut am comot. So after I place the zip finish, you go make sure say e dey normal. No allow am to go up, no allow am to come down. Just make just dey that middle part wey be say the neck start from. Shey you understand? Wetin I go do na to just put my hemming gum now as usual because this hemming gum dey help me well well because exactly this material wey be say e dey dance up and down. You go cut this hemming gum into two again. You know this hemming gum dey useful well well. So you go put am for that middle. So you put am for this part, then you go allow me sef put am for the other part. Because if you no put am for the other part sef, you no go still give me wetin I want because I just want make that thing just dey sharp after I finish am. So no worry, this hemming gun wey I dey put, I go still sew am o. I go still sew am. No be say hemming gun na im go dey there, so I go still sew am. So allow me do this thing finish. When I do am finish, I go go sew am, then I go come back. So this part now I don already sew the zip. I don sew the zip for that cloth. I don sew am already. So the excess wey I get here, I dey cut am comot. So after I don cut that part comot, you just iron am well. You see that middle now, you see say that zip now no too dey show up or e no too come up like that. So wetin we go do now to just carry our iron, we iron am well because this I know the reason why I dey show this part of this iron because if you dey do your own, e fit dey rough. So you make sure say the iron am. That's why I dey show the part ironing part well because that part dey very important. But some people no go show the ironing part. So these pieces wey I carry now, the pieces wey I want to cut the extra this thing wey dey for the front of the design. So I need to bring am out, then fold down any measurement wey you want. No get measurement. So after that, then I don go my machine, then go turn am. After I don turn am, I go place am for that middle now, then put am. So the measurement wey I later do this thing na. So wetin I later do this thing na just 2.5. That 2.5 wey I get here, I go place am inside. So that one wey go come outside from that part now. So I go need to check am well. So after I check am well, I go make sure say na 2 inches na that thing give me. The next thing na to put my hemming gum, then iron am. If you don iron that part finish, then I go go sew am, then come back, then I will show you the finishing part because we don already finish the parts like this because the work don done. The next thing we just do na to just iron am well because if you no iron this part, if you no iron am well, you no go still get am. You understand me? This thing need ironing. Get why? So wetin I just show you now, you no pass like that. You no allow anybody dey stress you. No pass like that. She understand me. Now the easiest way you go fit see my next everywhere dey perfect because you see how you get time wey you want. You understand me? You no pass like that. So if you like the video what I just do here now, give me like, then share to your friends. So I will see you for my next video. Peace out.